Hello, you beautiful people out there. Well, this is a Zodiac coin for February, Aquarius. And this is an Ian coin from good old Canada. So what happened in 2000? Well, it was marked by a significant event such as the Y2K scare, where fears about computer malfunctions and the turn of the millennium were largely mitigated, and the release of major crucial works like the debut album of Coldplay. Oh my God. Oh, and Craig David. Oh my God. It was also the year of the Millennium Dome opening in London. And that's about it. So, focus. So, this is Aquarius. I have all 12 of them. So, I have every month. So, let's turn it into a gorgeous looking ring, shall we? So, first of all, same old, same old. Yes, yes, yes. We need to punch a hole in it. Hope everybody's doing well. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers again. A bit tight. What's going on there? There you go. I'm going to go over to the ever gorgeous one and only, sexy as ever, Big Bertha. Let's straighten that a bit, shall we? Right, this is my 20-ton hydraulic press. You don't need one of these. You can use a hammer. But respect thy neighbour and the people underneath me. I live in an apartment. It's only a small apartment block, but you know, my neighbours are so quiet you don't even know they're there. Oh, a bit of PTFA tape stuck on everything. Makes a change, doesn't it? Right, let's slip it on the bottom. Yeah, I was at the market yesterday. Not a bad day. Quite a few Americans in town. Because whenever, you know, people come and look at me stuff and, I start chatting, I say, where are you from? And now they, it's quite sad really, you know. I mean, ain't their fault. And I say, where are you from? They say, oh, America. You know, it's not their bloody fault, is it? They seem to be ashamed to say it. Which is, I suppose, fair enough. I don't know. Right. I just want to clean up that edge. So thanks again, Ian. I think I've still got a couple of coins left. Right. Let's show it some love with Bernie. Yeah, so I looked, because you get a list of all the ships coming in, and there weren't supposed to be a ship today, so I'm planning to meet up with a few friends, you know, and have a couple of scoops with them. More PTFE tape. Bloody stuff gets everywhere. And then all of a sudden, yesterday, there's a ship coming, but hey, there's more to life than bloody work. Thank God. Right, let's put a little bit of Luby Loo in there. First of all, I keep forgetting to use this bloody thing. There's not much there, is there? But it's Aquarius. Aquarius! I hated that song. If it ain't loud and rock and roll, I'm not interested. Right. Okie dokie. Now, you can put it in our 17-degree folding die. You just want to get it nice and level. Level is the key word. Right. Now we'll give it a bit of the old 1, 2. 1, 2. There you go. Just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and free from any cracks or splits for me. Because I used to get up with my girlfriend, same time, 4:30 in the morning. I make her a cup of tea and we go together on the bus, like, you know. I don't have to go that early, but I'll go with her. But today my alarm went off and I must have turned it off, and that was it. I woke up about 7:30, and of course she'd already gone. So I sent her the old text message, sorry darling. She's okay though. She didn't expect me to get up, but I'd like to get up and make her a cup of tea. You know, see her off. Make sure everything's hunky-dory. Right, you have the kitchen roll, and we'll go over. There he is. Spike's looking rather good today. And you just use the kitchen roll to protect the inside of the coin. This is going to be quite a small ring. Make a nice ladies ring, really. So if you're born in February, Aquarius, and you'd like a Zodiac ring, I've got one for you. I will be able to adjust the size a little bit, up or down, but not too much. How's that looking? See, that bow's still there. We want to get that out. Let's check that. Yeah, I got a text message. Right. I think I'll show it a bit more love again, because it was getting a bit warm. Right. Just quench it a bit. Get a bit of a dry off. So, what's the latest gossip, guys and girls? What's it all about? What's it all about? Screaming and a shout. Right. Don't ask me, because I don't know. Get a bit of a turn each time. I'm not going to say it, no. I refuse to say it this time. How's that looking? Not too bad. I think that's pretty good. There's no bow in it. So we'll go down to the bottom end of Spike, or as I now call it, the arse end of Spike. There's a little bit there, but not much. There's a little bit more there. Just want to make sure it's nice and square. I think I went a little bit too far. Let's have a look with the eye. Yeah, just a little bit. So we put it back in the other way round. And then that should do the job. It still looks a bit hoochie coochied. Try this one. Don't have to go much though. Just a tiny incy wincy bit. There you go, that's better. So we need Christy Burr. And you're just looking to get that ridge, that little tiny lip. If it focuses, there's a little lip there, you want to get that out. Alright, that's pretty damn sexy. See, that lip is now gone. So, let's break out Dave. We'll just take out Felton John. And we'll put in the one and only Kate Bush, looking rather gorgeous today. Because you're gorgeous. It's similar to Quad Zero Steel Wool. Just takes the fire scale off, makes it look gorgeous. I found if I bounce the Dave on the coin, on the reeds, it gets the cleans them up better. That's better. If you're going to do it right. Yeah, I'll put this one in, it's a bit smaller. This is Felton John. And there's the polish, is the lid on the polish. Oh, look at this. This ain't going to last, I tell you. Right. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing my mate this afternoon. Have a couple of scoops and a chin wag, you know. Chew the fat. Watch the ladies go by. I don't know if I've said this before, like my local opposite where you sit outside. There's a big green glass window. You can't see through it, it's just like green, you know. And all the ladies, all the little darlings, you know, that think they're absolutely wonderful, they walk past this window and as they walking past, they're looking at themselves like, you know, it's bloody bright. Am I looking good? Yeah, darling, you're looking pretty hot. It's so funny though. And if you weren't sat there, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't notice it, obviously. Right, get a bit warm. So, look, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, why not? Hit the subscribe button for me. There's no obligation, it's free and it helps me out no end. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You know what? I could do with some more love, really. We could all do with more love, you know, the whole world could do with some more love. Right, there's a second day of the Green Goddess. The Green Goddess. Yeah, that's a good name for it, isn't it? Yeah, this is coming up quite sexy. Thank you, Ian, for your coins. I think there's one or two left somewhere. You didn't send me that many, did you? I was a bit disappointed. Right. How's it looking? Right, what we got here? It's a bit orange peel effect, but that's the metal. Not much I can do about that. We still got the text on the inside. If it focuses, which it probably won't do. There you go. Good old Lizzie. Right, what size we got? We've got, what's this going to be, a size 8? No idea. Oh, bloody hell. It's nearly a size 10. I can make it slightly larger. I can make it a little bit smaller. But I'd like to thank you all for watching, subscribing. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, Paul from Australia, Steve, Claire, and Joseph. Thank you all. Hit the like button, hit the don't like button. Don't forget to turn the cooker off before you go out. And, yeah, keep smiling. God willing, I'll see you on the next one. So bye-bye.